Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, August 17th, and you should have already completed your word problem for the day, your multiplication daily practice, and your addition and subtraction daily practice, okay? Now we're going to go ahead onto our lesson, and this is going to be a review for something that you've already done in 3rd grade, but we're going to go back over it because I know that we've been out of school for a while, and it's really important to remember these things. Today our lesson is going to be on place value. So we're going to talk about what place value means and how we can use it to tell the value of each number. In front of me right now, I have the number 8,888. But what are the differences between each one of these 8s? They're all the same number looking at it, but do they really have the same value? The answer is no, they don't have the same value. So we're going to review place value and what each one of these 8s really represents. The first place value is the ones place. Now this 8 right here is in the ones place. This 8 is really only the number 8. The next place value is the tens place. So this 8 is in the tens place. It represents 8 tens, and 8 tens is the number 80. So this 8 represents 80. The next place value is going to be the hundreds place. This 8 represents the hundreds place. So this 8 represents 8 hundreds, which would make this 8 800. And the final place value that we're going to talk about is the thousands place. So this 8 is sitting in the thousands place. This 8 represents 8 1,000s. So this 8 is truly 8,000. For a quick review, it starts with the ones place, then the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands. This 8 represents 8. This 8 represents 80. This 8 represents 800. And this 8 represents 8,000s.